Hey everyone, so today I'm trying out this smartwatch. So of course it comes with instructions on how to connect this to your phone. It's compatible with versions of Android and iOS. It's packaged really nicely. I loved the packaging, and it's also super easy to set up. The design is super nice and sleek. It has a great quality and it also looks amazing on. You connect it via Bluetooth to your phone so that you can answer or make calls and even receive notifications from your favorite social media apps. There are endless things that you can do with this watch, such as checking your exercise, your daily steps, your BMI, your heart rate, and many other things. So this watch is equipped with a full touchscreen and 8 different menu styles that you can easily switch for your visual experience.